Hi, and welcome to Chesapeake Bites. In this series, we take a look at recipes from Chesapeake Farm and Bay to Table. I'm Chef John Shields, founder and CEO of Our Common Table. It's a nonprofit organization with a mission to show how we can eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild our local food economy one dish at a time. Today in Chesapeake Bites, we'll be making our sexy salad for the month of love. It has delicious baby arugula and smoked salmon. So let's get cooking. Okay, so tonight, since we're in that kind of theme of February and the romance and those kinds of things, we're talking a little bit about aphrodisiac foods. So Joyce and I actually talked this over and we came up with our sexy salad.
Yes.
Yes, because we actually have a list of some food items that have purported aphrodisiac qualities.
Oh my goodness.
So we have some of those right here live with us on our own show. So one of those, who would have ever thought, I had no idea, but arugula is an aphrodisiac.
It sounds dirty, arugula.
Just
Wouldn't it be, don't you think?
Well, it comes in the dirt, for God's sake.
Sounds earthy.
And then
earthy.
apples.
Yeah, that's the word I meant.
Earthy.
It sounds earthy.
Apples are an aphrodisiac food. Pine nuts. Again, I didn't know
Pine nuts.
about the pine nuts. And then basil. Now, basil goes way back to like the Greek and Roman times, and supposedly the aroma of the basil
It sounds like a guy I dated.
would get
Not basil.
would get
It
the
was
people.
basil. It was somebody like
Basil,
that.
basil, yeah. Okay.
And you know what the young bucks would do is they would put the basil behind their ear, and then as they would go around the women, they would say, "Oh my God," and they would swoon.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, so basil.
There must have been some kind of basil back
It
then.
was some basil.
Or the
and
guys really smelled bad.
Yeah,
then-
it must have
I
been.
think it wasn't so good.
I think it was
Now, I remember when
They're pretty.
in high school I had to do a report on Cleopatra, and it was kind of a show and tell thing, and so I brought pomegranates
Ooh.
because supposedly she loved those, and they're part of the
Okay.
aphrodisiac. And then we have some goat cheese.
Wow.
Yep, from Charlottetown Farm. And cheese, again, is another ingredient. And then, one that I wasn't aware of, salmon.
No, salmon's
Oh,
the whole
salmon's
thing.
definitely.
Is a big thing.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
Neopol Smokery is in
They're the best.
Belvedere Square.
And smoked salmon is just the...
It's
Oy.
just the ticket. So we got some of that. All right, so then we're going to make a little aphrodisiac-like vinaigrette.
All right.
Ah,
Okay, so now we have some white wine vinegar, which, by the way, is not an aphrodisiac food.
Wait, wine or the vinegar
thank
part?
you very much.
I just wanted to let you know that is
Okay.
not a. Then we're going to take, this is kind of a traditional, sort of classic vinaigrette basic. So usually they'll put in a little bit of Dijon mustard, and then we have the shallots. Oui,
Shallot.
d'accord.
Shallots, yes, the
Shallots, yeah.
And
Onions.
then another major aphrodisiac one is honey.
Oh, and
So
I
we-
love
so
honey.
That's what people call when they love you. They say, hey,
honey.
this is the aphrodisiac.
Oh,
Hey,
honey,
honey bunny.
sweetie.
There we
honey.
go. Like we like that. Joyce, would you like to do a little whisking while I do a
Sure,
little
why
pouring?
don't I whisk this right now?
Whisk
There you
this.
go, Joyce.
You do that. I pour a little bit at a time.
Is that oil?
Un peu.
This is extra virgin olive oil.
Wrong kitchen.
And and you know we use the Dimitri olive oil, which is almost local, virtually
Yes,
local.
virtually local.
And here we go. We just keep.
Just whisking and whisking.
She's whisking
whisking.
away.
You're doing a great
Actually,
job.
what she's doing is emulsifying.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So when you emulsify, what do? You smash things until they're nothing, or what?
well, you just keep whisking. It's like if you were pouring this into
Yeah.
a blender. Now, this is way more than you would
Doing a
do
great
for
job,
this
Joyce.
particular salad, correct?
Yes, why not?
But then you can put it in your Frigidaire, and then you have it.
Spell that.
F-R-I.
Frigidaire. Okay.
So, all
So
right.
can I stop whisking now?
Oh,
no,
no,
it's
no,
just
I
a little salt.
can't have that. I got to put a
There's
little
salt.
bit of
We always
salt.
need salt.
He had it upside down, ladies
Yes,
and
I
gentlemen.
can't say a word though.
And then I put a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper
See,
in
that's the
there.
whole integration thing again.
Exactly,
that's
all of
right.
it in a bowl.
In a bowl.
In a bowl. And there you go. Voila.
That's it?
We now have, Joyce,
Yay,
has just
Joyce.
made a
Good
honey
job.
basil
Voila.
vinaigrette.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so now
So now I aerated that.
you got it all aerated.
You emulsed it. I like
Mulched-
the word
you
emulsion.
mulched it and
I
aerated it.
emulserated it.
You did.
So what we're going to do is we'll dress the salad.
Dress the
Do
salad.
you have like, what do you mean,
Would you like a
ties
plate?
and buttons and shoes
Would you
and
like a
stuff?
plate?
Yeah, you can pull that,
Okay,
put
here's a-
some of those out there. So
Okay.
generally what I do when we're doing this, I just put a little tiny bit on because you can always add more,
Yeah.
but you
True.
can't take it
Subtract
out.
it,
You know what I mean?
true.
No, but look, you
But
knew
you can-
exactly what to do. That's the perfect amount.
And I mean, you can see it just lightly coated.
Yes, it
and
glistens on the leaves.
Yeah.
That's
Glisten,
exactly
another
it.
good
you don't want a pile of water or oil on the bottom of the bowl. It's just not so good. So we'll put a little bit of this there.
Pretty.
I think we have 2 more plates
Oh,
there.
yes, we do.
Because I don't want to leave anybody out
Okay.
and not have any food.
Let's do that one.
We can't have that for our sexy salad.
Sexy salad.
Sexy salad, sexy
Save that.
salad. Really just decorate with some of these
Oh.
different things.
Yeah, that's not working.
I'll let you do that.
Oh, this is
Put a piece
fun.
aside or there.
Oh, look, you do like that. That's a little design. Look at that.
I think that needs help.
Well, that needs help. That did not work. Oh, wait a minute. I need another slice in the middle.
you go.
There you go. Ooh, little flour. And we'll do a
Let me
little.
do
Oh,
this.
we have to do the pomegranates,
I'm
right?
going to give you that now.
Oh my God.
Okay, John, share the salmon.
I'm going to show Simon.
I love salmon. Salmon, I think, is my favorite. I love it. It's just amazing.
So what are we supposed to do with my boyfriend? Just lay it in?
Lay it in.
Let me see.
we break it off a bit, you
let me
think?
get. Well, actually, your boyfriend.
Do I
Smells
do
great.
it? Do it.
Brings
Like-
back such memories.
Doesn't it? It's like the
Yeah.
olden days.
Yeah.
You put some on too.
Yeah,
Look at that. Look at that.
Sprinkle. I love basil.
There
And
we
you
go.
know, this is really easy to grow at home too. And when summer's coming, and we know summer's coming, this is really easy
Yeah,
to grow
it
at
is.
home. It's like, and it smells great. You can do
Now-
it in little pots.
Mary, if you could give us some of those lovely forks that are right
lovely
there.
forks.
Because the
Go.
thing I really,
Cheese
All
yet.
right.
the,
Alrighty.
the thing that I
cheese.
really want you to taste is this salmon. Because this salmon
All right, I'm
is
going to
like
taste this. I'm going to do without the cheese because
unbelievable.
I can't do that. But you guys
How about some cheese for you, young man?
Oh, cheese.
Homage.
I'm making my
From
dish, and I'm going to try my salmon.
Move that.
Oh, I forgot all about that.
You know what I like about salmon? I always feel like my brain is really happy after I eat it. It's like my brain's smiling. Am I reading too much into salmon?
I don't
Okay.
want to start
Oh, look,
anything,
reading
but
into too
the
much
answer
of
to
salmon.
that is yes.
Okay.
It's too much. It's a piece of really nice smoked fish is what it is. I don't know about your brain. You
It's
think-
delightful.
Essentially,
All
that
right.
is what it is. All right, I'm going to.
It's
All right,
delicious. It's very fresh and wonderful, and it took 10 minutes.
That was
So, okay,
fun.
so let's go back to the concept of the sexy salad. So let's say that you're going to throw this dinner party and you just want to make a simple dinner.
Right.
So you can make this salad, you can put any kind of thing there on it, and a nice piece of that salmon right in the center. That's a perfect dinner.
I love
Maybe
it.
with a baguette, and then a little dessert,
Thank you.
some champagne.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our common table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.